Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this nose. This nose is going to be same on both sides.
Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch.
Now to add black color yarn, keep 2 loops on the needle, pull yarn through them and make a chain crochet stitch. After that, make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, just keep ending for 4 stitches. Okay, then rest all stitches, make 1 single crochet stitch in each single stitch with black color. Okay, see, I'll show you how it looks. So this is how we are going to skip last 4 stitches. Okay, we are not going to do in that. Now just make a chain crochet stitch and turn your work. Okay, now this here we are going to make 1 slip stitch in upper end of every stitch. Okay, 1 slip stitch in each single stitch in the upper end of every stitch, only black color. Huh? Okay, here we have reached our last stitch. Last stitch is always tricky to get. Yeah, now just make a chain crochet stitch and again turn your work. We have to make this nose to look same on both the side. Okay, now see, we are going to make chain stitch in lower end of every stitch. See, in lower end of every stitch we are going to make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch, because of which our nose is going to look same in both sides. So whether you keep it on left hand facing or right hand facing, it is same. Or even if you keep it straight, so it's in the standing position, so it's like nose, it will look good also. See, in lower end of every stitch we are making 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. Now see, it's same on both sides. I'll show you. This is one side and this is another side, same. When you are stitching that nose on your applique, just remember you have to stitch that black part of that nose, upper and lower black part. That is 1 stitch on upper black part and 1 stitch on lower black part. Don't stitch that middle circle. Okay, so your nose will be like moving from left to right, as it is same on both sides. As we make only 1 stitch at the upper black part and 1 stitch at lower black part, and we don't stitch the middle circle, it can stand straight also. See, this also looks so good.
So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.